Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how you can use CapCut template from TikTok easily. So just going to open the TikTok apps and tap on search icon in the top right corner and just type for CapCut template and appears for the video. Just select one you like and try this template. So select use template in CapCut. We are directing to CapCut, so just click use template and select the video or photos you want to add to template, and here we go. Just click the export button for save to device with CapCut watermark, or you can save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. So that's how to use CapCut template. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.